Next we will see the next command, ping. So the ping command is used to test the network connectivity. And also this ping command is used to connect between two hosts or two computer or two device. To check the connectivity between two device or host, we use ping command. And also it is used to check whether the network interface card work correct or not, and also is used to test DNS name resolution issue. To use this command, open up command prompt. There you can type ping followed by IP address, or you can give the domain name. So I am giving google.com, then press enter. When you are typing this command, this ping it will quickly send 4 data packets to the server and wait reply from the server, right? When the server will send the data packets back to us as reply, this reply is called as a echo request reply. Here we send 4 data packets and we receive 4 data packets and there is no loss of connections, 0% loss, right? So that means there is a connectivity between our systems and the server. Okay, so there is no connectivity issues. If we didn't get any reply from the server, then there is a connectivity, there is a connectivity problems between our computer and the server. Sometimes we get the reply, we get the message like request timeout. That means the server is powered down. Sometimes we send 4 data packets and we will receive only 2 data packets. In the case, there could be a packet loss. Here we send 4 data packets and we receive 4 data packets and 0% loss. Sometimes we send 4 data packets and we receive only 2 data packet, means there is a packet loss will be happen, right? So this packet loss has to be happen due to some network congestion, that is network traffic, means in that case packet loss will be happen, and also some faulty hardware. Faulty hardware in the sense sometimes bad cable connections or some modem is not working, connection problems. In that case we are having that problem, that is faulty hardware. Okay, so we are sending the data packets and you receive the 4 data packets, means there is a connectivity between your system and a computer. If you are not getting the reply from the server, means there is a connectivity issues between your system and the server. Okay, so this is about the ping command. Ping command is mainly used to check the connectivity between your system and the destination systems. The destination systems may be any server or it could be any device. So that's all about ping command.